A captivating advertisement features a man repeatedly closing his eyes and yawning, perplexing people around him. They wonder what this ad is all about. First, it's important to know that yawning can be contagious, as proven by scientific tests. If one person in a room yawns, it's likely that others will yawn too. Curiosity grows as more people gather to observe the billboard. And here comes the twist. Can you guess what they're selling? In fact, it's a creative marketing campaign for coffee, defying conventional marketing methods. This innovative approach aims to entice people voluntarily to try their coffee.